Need tools? We've got you covered. Go to ChromebookParts.com or click on the link below to pick up this sleek, portable toolkit. Flip the device over and unscrew 11 captive screws from the bottom cover. Gently insert the opener pick between the palmrest and the bottom cover and slide along the edges to pop the palmrest free. Once the palmrest is free, be careful not to pull it all the way up as there's still some cables to disconnect underneath. Lift the palmrest partway up, flip open the locking clip, and unplug the palmrest cable from the motherboard. Peel back the tape, flip open the locking clip, and unplug the touchpad cable from the motherboard. Push open the locking clip and unplug the battery from the motherboard. Remove 6 3mm screws from the heatsink. Pry the heatsink free from the motherboard. Peel back the tape, flip open the locking clip, and unplug the LCD cable from the motherboard. Peel back the tape, and gently lift up to unplug the antenna cables from the Wi-Fi card. Peel back the tape, flip open the locking clip, and unplug the camera cable from the motherboard. Flip open the locking clip, and unplug the daughterboard cable from the motherboard. Unplug the speakers from the motherboard. Remove 5 3mm screws from the motherboard. Remove 1 3mm screw from the Wi-Fi card. Unplug the Wi-Fi card from the motherboard. Remove the bracket, and gently lift up and pull back on the motherboard, taking care not to bend or damage the ports. Using a 99% isopropyl alcohol solution, clean any old thermal paste off the heatsink and the new motherboard. Replace the new motherboard back into the port slots, and be sure to get all the cables out from underneath. Replace the bracket, and replace the 5 3mm screws. Plug the Wi-Fi card back into the motherboard. and replace the one 3mm screw. Plug the LCD cable back into the motherboard. Gently push down to plug the antenna cables back onto the Wi-Fi card. Plug the camera cable back into the motherboard. Plug the daughterboard cable back into the motherboard. And plug the speakers back into the motherboard. Apply a small amount of thermal paste to the motherboard as shown. Replace the heatsink. And replace the 6 3mm screws. Plug the battery back into the motherboard. Plug the touchpad cable and the Palmrest cable back into the motherboard. Lay the Palmrest down, and push down to snap it back into place. Flip the device back over, and tighten the 11 captive screws in the bottom cover.